next new feature we're going to look at is some enhancements to the maps functions. So let's go ahead and create a brand new map. We go to the Build tab and then select Maps New. We'll give our map a name. I'm going to import an image to be used as a map background. The first enhancement is the ability to add devices directly from the device list. So we go ahead and expand that out. Just drag and drop. Now you'll see we've now got an informational message that tells us that before we drag and drop this device on, we hadn't selected another icon as a template, but would we like to continue to drop this icon on the map? Yes, we would at this stage. And now we can take a look at what that error message actually means. So if we select an object, and we can configure some information on it, configure that as a pulse and a yellow, and select OK. We select the object and drag in another object of the same type. What Victor has done is it applied all the settings to our original icon to the secondary icon. So if we go back in and edit this one, we should be able to see if that setting we edited has come across, which indeed it has. So we can select OK. In addition to being able to add objects like this, we can also add objects in the traditional way by selecting the green plus, followed by the object type, and dropping it on the map and assigning the object. We're going to go ahead and save that, and if we close out of it, we can go and view our map and take a look at another new feature. Because I placed a monitor on my map, what I can do is I can drag and drop objects onto that monitor and it'll act like a send to function. So because the monitor I have added is the monitor of this machine, if I drag and drop this camera, it'll create a send to this machine. We'll go ahead and close out of that. We can take another look at another new feature. Go back into our edit mode for our map. If we make a change by adding another object, for example, if we flick back into view mode, you can see that the green bar along the top has changed to orange, and the reason for that is because an edit has been made to the map while the map was open. Simply if we click refresh, the map will update to show the new object. Final new feature of maps is the ability to add text. If we go back into edit mode and select the text button, we can choose where to place the text. We can move the text box around, we can resize it, we can enter some text into it. What we can do is we can highlight it, change the font, change the size, change the color. We can also make it bold or italic. I'm going to go ahead and save that, and we can see what it looks like in view mode. Go back to home and view our map. You can see the text has appeared there.